So let us walk through the GoHighLevel dashboard so you feel confident using every single part of it. Well, I understand that this is a bit complicated because it's really power packed and has a lot of things to go around. And if you haven't yet signed up for GoHighLevel, you can find the access to the 30 days free trial in the resources section, or you can ask for it, and you also get with that $1,000 worth of training program, like we have already said before. Let's continue with exploring the dashboard. Now, when the moment you log in, this is the login screen that you will see. Here you will find this is the launchpad. That means these are the some of the basic things that you need to do to get started. Mobile app is installed, manage your Google profile with your CRM. So you connect your Google My Business account, you connect your Facebook account. This you cannot do it immediately. You won't be needing it immediately. Stripe is something you would need if you are looking to accept payments using Stripe. WordPress, if you are managing a WordPress site, then you can connect this and you can quickly add one or more team members using this. So this is the launchpad that we have to get started really quickly. Next is the dashboard. The dashboard is where you see all the basic analytics and statistics, the opportunity status, the opportunity value, the conversion rate, the funnels, the stage distribution, the tasks, the manual actions, the lead resource report, and so on. Google Analytics reports, Google Business Profiles, Facebook Ads report, Google Ads report, sales efficiency, and so on. So that's the dashboard, which you can obviously customize. And next is the conversations tab. Here you get to see everything, all the emails, the SMSs, the Instagrams, and the Facebook DMs, all of that you are receiving are here. You can find them all in one place, and you can also send messages or emails or SMS right from here without having to go anywhere else. That's conversations tab. You have calendars, so you can set up the calendar, create the calendars, and do everything about calendars right here. You have the contacts tab. You can manage all the contacts. You can edit, manage the smart list. We'll be talking about each one of these in much more details in the other sections. But yeah, this is just a quick overview of what all these tabs are. You have the opportunities tab. Here you can manage the opportunities like you do it on Pipedrive or other pipeline specific softwares. That's opportunities and pipeline. Payments tab has a lot of things, right? From creating invoices and estimations, documents and contracts, orders, subscription, payment links, transactions, creating products, adding coupons, settings, and integrations. In integrations, you can find different service providers that you can connect and use depending on where you are located. And so this keeps adding new payment gateways. So I'm sure you would find yours. And if not, you can always add custom one. Then you have the marketing tab. Marketing tab takes care of the social planning, so you can connect all your social media platforms and manage your calendar from right here. You can do email marketing. You can take and build countdown timers, set up trigger links, affiliates. You can create affiliates for your brand boards, ad managers, content AI, and that's what is marketing. For automations is where you build your workflow. So. mm, what are the things that you want to do when somebody fills up the form, or what are the things you want to do when somebody gives you a call or books a meeting with you on the calendar, and all of those things. So you can build your workflows and automations right here. With the insights, you can have you'll have funnels, websites, stores, webinars, blogs, publish courses, build surveys, quizzes, add chat widgets, add forms to websites and funnels, and a lot more. Then you have memberships here. You can build your membership funnels. Sorry, I mean the membership courses. You can create communities, issue certificates, use the Google. Next is the media storage. So all your media files you can find over here. Then you have the reputation management tab where you can manage your reviews, connect your Facebook and Google review accounts. You can also use AI to manage the reviews. Then you have reporting. So obviously as it's understood, you can see all the reports right here in front of you. You have the app marketplace, so you can add a lot of different apps to your Go High Level. Then you have the mobile app. So if you have, so that's download high level mobile app, stay connected on the go and improve your response rate. Click on the link to invite users to download the app. That's the app. Then you have the settings tab where you can update your business profile, the billing settings, the my staff settings, the opportunities and pipelines. You can customize your automations, your calendars, conversations AI. That is the a very powerful AI tool. You can set this up here. You can set up voice AI agents over here. You can configure your email services, add custom domains for better email deliverability. You can add phone numbers over here, more than one. You can create number pools. You can look at the usage summary, analytics, advanced settings, and so many more things. Then you have WhatsApp. So you have to sign up for this, pay 29, basically $30, and subscribe to the WhatsApp features. You have objects, custom fields, custom values, manage scoring, domains, URL redirects, integrations, private integrations, conversation providers, tags, labs, audit labs. So you can go through each of these and you can find. I don't think a lot of things these would be relevant for you or to know instantly. As you keep getting into the depths of Go High Level, you might be needing different things, and that's when these would be helpful. Eh, if you're just starting with Go High Level, you might not need a lot of things within the settings tab, but I'm sure that you would be needing most of the things that's right here on the homepage of Go High Level. Mm, that's very much about the dashboard, and I hope that this helps you. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll be happy to help.